Hi my friends, I hope you're having a good day. It's Miss Steph here with Arielle. Hi.
Hi.
So we are learning about spring, and today it's kind of a dreary day. It's starting to snow here, which is crazy. It's supposed to be sunny and warm. It's springtime. We're going to be learning about spring animals this week, and one of the main animals that we start seeing come out in the spring is, if you listen closely, I don't know if you can hear, but there's a lot of birds out right now. The birds are out chirping, and they're getting ready to find their food and make their nest. And that's what oh, there's a bird right there. I just flew by. And birds make a nest, and that's what they start doing. They start to hunt to make their nest in the spring. So we're gonna move around, move our gross motor movements, and find things to make a nest, like we're birds. And we flap our wings. You be a bird with me, Arielle. Can we find some sticks and grass and anything that we can find to make a nest? Because that's what birds look for, to make their homes in the trees. So I'm bird flying around, jumping, skipping around, looking for stuff to make a nest. And one of the things that birds grab to make a nest is leaves. We're gonna grab our leaves. Oh, Arielle found us some sticks. Grab our sticks. Leaves. What else can we find out here to make? Oop, there's some more. Hay. What else could we find, my friends? Some more grass. You just pick the grass. The ground. What else could we use? We may need some more sticks too, because we have to bind the leaves, grass, and sticks together to make our nest. And that's what birds do. They fly around to look for things to make a home. Just like we have our home, our house, they have to make their house. And they make their house usually in trees, and they have to find stuff to make their home. So you've got some sticks too. Another stick. All right. So now we're gonna come fly our wings, because we're birdies looking for things to make our home with. I'm gonna grab a few more leaves. Oh, and this looks like a interesting. There's a hole. More sticks to make our leaves. So we're gonna come over and we're gonna make a home for our bird house, our birdie home. Come over here. So my friends, we have our stuff to make a birdhouse. You could collect and make a little bed for them.
Or maybe you can leave them outside so then the birds can use them.
Yeah. Make a nice little home for them. Start to move. What do you want to start moving it into a bird's nest to kind of make it a little circle with the sticks and the hay. Look at that. We made a bird's nest. And you know, yeah, do you want to grab like a couple of the rocks over there on the driveway? You can even pretend to have little baby bird eggs and put in there. Grab some rocks to put in there to make it our bird eggs. And that's how birds make a home. They have to collect all this stuff from nature. It's so important that, oh, there's some rocks that we can put right in to make our.
Now let's get a medium rock.
There's our bird's nest. It's just how the birds would do it. Oh, there's a big rock to put in there.
And maybe we can just leave it outside where the birds can get and make a nest.
Yeah. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about today, is how in the spring the birds come out, different animals are coming out, and they have to make their homes, they have to find food, and that's what hear that bird? And that's what starts happening in the spring. And today we were using our gross motor movements and pretending to be birds, making a nest home for our tree, and being a bird. I would put in our tree to be a bird. And I hope you find all your materials to make your bird's nest in your yard today. I've had fun with you, my friends. Have a great day. Bye. Arielle, want to say bye? Bye.